So, the next work is going to be called Power Thought Squared, or Power Thought to the second power. And basically, I will definitely have at least two running themes. One of the main themes will be perception, and the other theme will be perspective. Perception and perspective. Perception is the original idea born in the self. This is your perception. This is aligned with your inner integrity, the sum and substance of your observational capacity, and what is the conclusions that we draw. This becomes our perception of the world. As we perceive, so we concede and achieve and repeat and implant and visualize according to perception and value. Then putting things into perspective. Once we have a perception, once we perceive and weigh, judge, understand, consider, then perspective comes in, where we then have an environment in which to place things in some type of order in relation to one another, the relativity. So the perception is more of an absolute nature and effect, and the perspective is more of a relative relation. And it shows the relativities, the relationships, everything, relationships that we have with others, relationships we have with our society, relationships we have with the world, relationships we have with our perception and our concepts and our vision. So reality is what we perceive it to be. That is a person's absolute reality. In that sense, is how one perceives it. It's just like if one is dreaming and having a nightmare, one's heart will physically begin to pound. Boom, 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 because that is the perception. So the body is responding to a mental image. There is nothing to fear externally. Perhaps you're lying down in your bed or lying on your couch. But the idea that there is something to fear, and the belief in that, the perception, when you perceive that fearful object, then your physical body has no choice but to, like a slave, give in and respond to that. That becomes the physical reality. So that is a proof that your mental reality creates your physical reality. The mental is more subtle, within reaching into the realm of consciousness. The mental is the window to enter into the realm of the conscious. This is Stephen Hutchinson, Power Thought, powerthoughtnow.com. Peace.